If you are looking to integrate your help desk tools with Slack and Teams, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. Whether you're using Slack or Teams, you'll get actionable insights that will save you time and effort. And stick around to the end, because I'll also be offering an exclusive free trial of a recommended software you can use for this integration. Let's start with Slack. The first step is to choose your help desk software. I've tested many popular options, and I'll be sharing one with you later that makes the whole process seamless. Once you've signed up for your help desk software, head over to its integration page. There, you'll likely find a pre-built Slack integration, which simplifies everything. For Slack, click on Add to Slack or Install Slack Integration. This will prompt you to log into your Slack account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, select the Slack channel where you want help desk updates to be sent. You can choose channels like Docker support, or even a private group where your team handles tickets. Next, you'll be asked to set up the notifications for your team. You can choose to receive alerts for new tickets, updates, and other activities from your help desk. Customizing these notifications to your team's workflow is key to making sure your team doesn't miss anything important. Now let's talk about Microsoft Teams. The integration process here is similar. Start by logging into your help desk tool and searching for the Microsoft Teams integration in the settings. Once you locate it, select Add to Teams, and log into your Microsoft Teams account if prompted. For Teams, you'll be able to select a specific channel or create a new one to send your help desk updates. Just like with Slack, you'll want to adjust your notification settings to fit your needs. Whether it's ticket creation, customer updates, or status changes, you can customize which types of notifications your team will get. Both integrations offer a great deal of flexibility. If you use multiple channels or teams, both Slack and Teams allow you to route notifications in a way that keeps everything organized. As we wrap up, remember that integrating your help desk tools with Slack and Teams boosts your team's response times and ensures no tickets slip through the cracks. You get all your support updates in one place, making your team more efficient and focused. Now, I highly recommend you check out the software we've used for this integration. I've tested it thoroughly, and it's the best I've found for streamlining your help desk operations with Slack and Teams. The best part? You can grab an exclusive free trial through the link in the description below, available only for viewers of my channel. Key takeaway: integrating your help desk tools with Slack and Teams is straightforward, enhances team collaboration, and improves response times. Take advantage of the free trial, try it yourself, and streamline your workflow. That's all for today's tutorial. Make sure to hit the link in the description to start your free trial and check back soon for more tips.